Ladies and gentlemen, now taking the field from Long Beach, California, the Millikan High School Marching Band and Color Guard. From Majors Ethan Cochran, Diana Hernandez, and Elijah Luu, is your band ready? Presenting their 2023 program, VR Atlas, the California State Band Championships, is proud to present the Millikan High School Marching Band and Color Guard.
Like many, I love to look at the stars. I love the fact that ours is just one among many. What I love about astronomy is that our constellations tell a story. Our constellations were born from mythology. Mythology was our first attempt to understand the world in which we live. We put a God in everything, and those gods would give us our reasons. Story of the Titan Atlas. He taught us about the stars, and in all this, while he held up ours, our pale blue dots. But Atlas is caught between two different tellings of the story. First, he leads a rebellion against Olympus and is then sentenced to hold the heavens on his shoulders for eternity. In the second story, he is chosen to be the guardian of the pillars that hold up the earth and sky. When I think of Atlas, I think of a single drop of rain. I I think how unfair it would be to hold a single drop solely responsible for making the entire world clean again. But I wondered about us. Which piece of the puzzle are we? I began to see us in the context of a bigger picture, sharpening the blur slowly into focus. We are Atlas. I saw that this pale blue dot, this one world, is all we get. We are facing crisis. The most alarming part of the statement, we are facing crisis, isn't the word crisis. We are Atlas now.
Ladies and gentlemen, Millikan High School.